Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. If you want to earn money online without skill, without investment and without selling anything, then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain what the Fiverr affiliate program is, how it's work and why beginner can start without any experience. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand what Fiverr affiliate program is and whether it's right for you as a beginner. First, let's understand Fiverr. Fiverr is an online platform where business hire people for digital service like design, video editing, marketing and more. Normally people earn on Fiverr by selling service. But today we are talking about a method where you don't sell anything. The Fiverr affiliate program allow you to earn money by promoting Fiverr, not by doing work. You get special link from Fiverr when someone click your link, join Fiverr and place their first order. Fiverr pays you a commission. You don't talk to client, you don't deliver work, you simply recommend Fiverr. This is why no skills are required. You are not creating logos, you are not editing videos, you are not writing content. Your only job is to share information and guide people to Fiverr. You don't need money to start. Creating an affiliate account is free. Creating YouTube video is free. Sharing link is free. That's why this is perfect for students and beginners. Anyone can join this Fiverr affiliate program. You do not need to be a Fiverr seller. You do not need approval from anyone. If you can watch this video, you can start. Yes, Fiverr affiliate program is 100% legit. Fiverr is a global company used by millions. But remember, this is not get rich quick. This is real online earning that require patience. This is video 1 of a complete zero to hero Fiverr affiliate course. In the next video, I will show how to create your account, get your affiliate link and promote it step by step. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Like this video if you want beginner friendly earning guides. I will see you in the next lesson.